Shalom, Job 42:12 and 13. And the Lord blessed the latter days of Job more than his beginning. And he had 14,000 sheep, 6,000 camels, 1,000 yoke of oxen, and 1,000 female donkeys. He had also 7 sons and 3 daughters. After going through his turmoil and never cursing or rejecting God, but rather trusting Him in the midst of the storm, Job's wealth was restored twofold, and he was blessed with 10 children. He toggled between trust and discouragement, but never denied that God was sovereign. Now, most people will never go through what Job went through, but we all have challenges either generated or allowed by God. While the restoration of wealth and family is not a promise, obedience and trust in the Lord's perfect will and perfect love is all we have at times. And because of His unchanging character, it is guaranteed way beyond our own human understanding. Be blessed.